welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is my first ever trip vlog which I'm going to be shooting. So we are going to Ooty, Kotagiri, and it's a 3-day long trip. So today is day 1. This is my outfit and let's go. We came to a temple here, like before we go to Ooty, we've come to a temple, and this is my sister, her name is Laya. This is my other sister, Deshna, and these are all my family members. Now we're going to get on the bus and go to the temple. So guys, we are here for having lunch and we are in some empty resort. So this is how the place looks. We have like a mini park over here, and we came for eating lunch again, like I said. I'm super excited. Those are the other people who came with us. And this is the restaurant. We still haven't reached Ooty. So looks so pretty, like so good. Look at the homestays, guys, it's so pretty.
But we haven't come here to stay. We come here for the restaurant and for the lunch.
So yeah, see you guys in the, I don't know where we're going now, but see you guys in Ooty. Guys, we've come for boating now. This is the Paikara Lake. Can you see that? It's like so huge, and so So guys, this is how the boating lake looks like. It's so pretty. It's the morning right now, and this is the view from our homestay. Yesterday we reached our homestay at like 9 something, and I was very tired to shoot, so I did not shoot anything. This is the homestay. And there's like a swing seating area and everything. And people have gone walking now. I don't know where they have gone. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. And I'm feeling so sick right now because of the cold. I'm feeling so like weird, but good morning, guys. It's literally 7:30 right now, and I woke up at 6:30, 5 o'clock. And because we had to go to a toy train which was a little far from here, but we had to go only in one car, so we couldn't go. But we had a lot of fun. We did some yoga poses, we played badminton, and now look at the scenery. So guys, yesterday what happened was, after we came back from the we came back and then we ate lunch. After we ate lunch, we came back, played cards, we played badminton and everything, and then we went back to sleep. So I couldn't record all that, I'm sorry. But now we woke up, we played many games, and uh, we might go to the train place. So it's called the Kunnur toy train or something, and it's so beautiful. Um, so we'll see if we get tickets because it's very hard to get tickets. So and yeah. So guys, now we've come to a waterfall viewpoint, and this is how it looks. And it's literally raining so hard right now. Look at that clouds, everything. It's raining so much. I'll show you. This is my outfit of today. It's literally raining so badly. My honest reaction. So it's the last day in this homestay today, and we are going to Mysore, and in the evening we are going to the Mysore Zoo. So
Very creepy that everyone has gone walking.
and I woke up just now. It's like 7 o'clock or something right now, and like look at the view. Not been swimming for some time. So guys, the latest news was that
Some 3-4 leopards have escaped from the forest. So we are like scared that it might come off here. And we met an uncle yesterday who was telling us that he was a wildlife photographer, and he saw like bears, leopards and all over here. So we don't know how much to trust him and whatnot, but we'll see.
Okay guys, so I'm back home. It's a wrap. The trip is done, and I've had a lot of fun in the last 3 days. As you guys saw in the video, I couldn't record a lot of day 3 because I was really sick, and I'm so sorry, and I've tried my level best to add pictures for you guys, and I hope you liked today's vlog. Comment down below what type of vlog should I get, what type of shots should I put, and also please subscribe to my channel and like, and also share to your friends, family, and please help me grow. Thank you guys. Bye.